Join me as I dive into the fascinating world of ladybugs and challenge myself to discover just how they can save our plants. Ladybugs are often seen as cute, harmless creatures, but what if I told you they are actually plant-saving heroes? They might be small, but they pack a big punch when it comes to maintaining healthy gardens. Pest infestations are a major challenge many gardeners face. Aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites can wreak havoc on your plants, causing damage, reducing yields, and even killing them off entirely. These tiny pests can quickly get out of control, spreading disease and infesting every corner of your garden. Without proper control, they can destroy months of hard work and dedication. In fact, some pests can produce multiple generations in a single growing season, making them a persistent problem for gardeners. The damage they cause can be devastating, leaving plants weak and vulnerable to further attacks. The impact of pest infestations can be felt across entire ecosystems. For example, when aphids infest a crop, they can spread disease and reduce yields, leading to economic losses for farmers. Meanwhile, home gardeners may struggle to enjoy their outdoor spaces as pests take over, making it difficult to grow the fruits and vegetables they love. The stakes are high and the consequences can be severe. So, how do we fight back against these pesky pests? That's where ladybugs come in, our tiny spotted heroes. Ladybugs are predators that feed on aphids, whiteflies, and other pests, controlling their populations and preventing infestations from getting out of hand. There are over 6,000 species of ladybugs, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Some species are generalist predators, consuming a wide range of pests, while others are specialists, targeting specific species. The life cycle of ladybugs is fascinating. They undergo a process called complete metamorphosis, meaning they have four distinct stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The larvae are just as voracious as the adults, feeding on pests and helping to control populations from a young age. Ladybugs can consume up to 60 aphids per hour, making them incredibly effective at controlling pest populations. One fascinating story about ladybugs is from a study in California, where researchers introduced ladybugs into a vineyard to control aphid populations. The results were astounding. The ladybugs reduced aphid numbers by 90% in just a few weeks, saving the grape crop and demonstrating the power of these tiny predators. In another study, ladybugs were shown to increase fruit production in strawberry crops by 25% by controlling pests and improving plant health. These incredible statistics demonstrate the impact ladybugs can have on gardens and ecosystems. In summary, ladybugs are the unsung heroes of the plant world. They work tirelessly to control pest populations, preventing infestations, and maintaining healthy gardens. By understanding and appreciating their role, we can better support these tiny predators and create thriving ecosystems. Have you ever had a ladybug save your garden from a pest infestation? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about beneficial insects, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll dive into the fascinating world of bees and butterflies.